Ever tried to submit a form and it just ignored you? Or worse, it submitted broken data like 4 spaces and a prayer? Cool name for a movie. Let's fix that. Today we're diving into forms and input validation, making your web page actually care for what users type. HTML gives us form and input elements to collect data, but JavaScript gives us the power to check that data before it goes anywhere. We can prevent a form from submitting, check if a field is empty or invalid, and show friendly or chaotic messages if something's wrong. Let's build a basic login form and make sure nobody sneaks in with a blank username. Here's our basic form. We've got a username input, a button, and a spot for error messages. Now let's wire it up with JavaScript. Let's analyze our code. First, we're stopping the default form behavior so the page doesn't reload. Then we trim the username that removes spaces before and after. If it's empty, we throw an error message. Otherwise, we greet the user. Pretty simple, right? Now that we've built that, let's play with it. Try entering nothing or just spaces. You'll get a warning. Now type your actual name or a fake name. Don't worry, I'm not the FBI. And that's the magic of input validation. Tiny bits of logic that make your forms smarter, safer, and way more user-friendly. Your turn. Let's make this form a bit more serious. Add a password field next to the username and make sure both are filled in before letting anyone through. The username should be more than just a single letter. One character doesn't exactly scream identity. Under the password field, add a little message explaining the rules, like what kind of character the password needs. Then, in your validation logic, check that the password is at least 6 characters long and includes at least one number. You can use a simple check like looking for numbers with includes, or go fancier with a regular expression. If the password doesn't follow the rules, show a warning. Subtle or dramatic, your call. The goal is to guide the user before they mess up. Today, you made a form that actually thinks for itself. No more blank usernames, no more chaos. Just clean, smart validation that talks back when it needs to. Keep playing with it, and soon your forms will be bulletproof. I'll see you.
FBI, open up!